Okay, we are going to go ahead and begin our slideshow presentation. So the first thing we're going to do is add our title. So click in this box where it says click to add title and type the title of your presentation, which is all about me. And then I want you to go ahead and click to add your subtitle, which is just going to be by and then your name. We want to make sure we know who the author is of our presentation. Once you finish doing that, you can go ahead. We're going to insert a new slide. So right up here at the top on the left-hand side where it says New Slide, click on that. You'll see the slide appear in the middle of your screen, and then also over here on the left-hand side. So click where it says Click to Add Title, and you're going to add the title of your first slide. Your first informational slide, which is going to be my family, and then go ahead and add some information about your family. So I'm just going to type one quick sentence. And of course your slide will have more on it and we'll give you more time to add some of that information. Once you've added some text, we're going to go ahead and change the font. And the way to do that is to highlight. So we're going to highlight right here. You're going to click in the beginning of your text, and then I want you to hold down your mouse button and drag your cursor right over your text. And then up here in the top, it has your fonts. So click on that down arrow and choose the font that you would like. Could be any of these slides. So maybe I want mine to look kind of fancy, so I would choose that one. And then I will go ahead and choose and highlight the rest of my text and do the same thing. It will hold your recently used font so you don't have to search through and find it. And once you have changed your font, you can go on to your next slide and do the same thing. So I'm going to click back over here on the left to my first slide and make sure I've changed them to something that I like. And I'm going to change the different size too. Next to the font is the size. The bigger the number, the bigger the font size. So go ahead and change those. Okay, once you've done that, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to add or change the color of the background of your slide. So in a nice empty white space, use your right mouse button and click, and then click on Format Background, which is the very bottom. And then where it says Color, go ahead and click on a color that you like. And we're going to hit Apply to All. And notice both of your slides will change their color. Now, looking at this, I see that I can't really see my name very well, so that tells me that my slide color is too dark. If that happens, go back, do the same thing again, use your right mouse button, click Format Background, and then just choose a different color. Something a little lighter so you'll be able to see all of your text. You definitely want somebody to be able to read all the text that you put on there. And once you've done that, we're going to go ahead and try and insert a picture, a clip art. So when you click on Insert, because we're going to put a picture in, click on Insert, and right below it, it says Clip Art. Once you've done that, I want you to go ahead and type in something that you like. So if I typed in fish and I hit go, it's going to pull up all kinds of pictures of fish. And some of these I might like, some of these I might not. This one's kind of fun. I'm going to just go ahead and choose this one. So click on it once, and it will show up right in your presentation. If you click on it too many times, you're going to get a bunch of them. See, I have two. I clicked twice. So if you get too many, just click delete. And it's kind of small. I might want it bigger. So I'm going to click on the picture and use one of these little circles. Hold my mouse button down. I can make it bigger. And in order to move it, you want to hold down your mouse button while your mouse is on it, and then you can kind of move it anywhere you'd like. Okay, and that's all for today. So once you've done those things, you can go ahead and add more slides, change the fonts, change the colors, and add some clip art.